Guys, today I will be showing you sound fruit. So first move is Rhapsody notes. So it's 3 notes. You can spam them like this. So the second move is Fortissimo. It's like a beam type. So I'm on the cooldown. So it's like a beam type charge. See, third move is Symphonic Radius. It's like a disco ball which does damage. And the flight move is Tempo Pristinino. You can roam around with it and it will make your tempo meter go up and you will go faster and you will have this cool shield type. And comes the V move, which is also pretty sick. See, it creates a whole sound logo. So guys, that was it for the video. Bye bye.